Hello everyone. This video is about COVID-19 related MCQs. Here we will discuss 25 MCQs related with COVID-19. Question number 1. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in. सबसे पहला नोवल कोरोना वायरस का केस आइडेंटिफाई हुआ था इन वुहान, हुबई प्रोविंस ऑफ चाइना में. सो द करेक्ट चॉइस इज सी. Mark C. Question number 2. What is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are a large family of viruses which belong to the family Nidovirus or order Nidovirales. This order includes three families: Coronaviridae, Arteriviridae and Roniviridae families. So here the correct choice is C. Both option A and option B are correct in this. Option A is it is a large family of viruses. Option B is it belongs to the family of Nidovirus. So correct answer is C. Mark C. Question 3. Which of the following diseases are related to coronavirus? Coronavirus may cause illness from the common cold to more serious diseases like, see the option A, MERS means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome caused by coronavirus and was first identified in Saudi Arabia in 2012. See the B option, SARS means Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome caused by again coronavirus and was identified in China in 2002. So here both the options, A option and B option are correct. So the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Mark C. Come to question number 4. From where coronavirus got its name? Corona is a Latin word, means crown. So due to crown-like projections on the surface, they got the name coronavirus. So correct answer is A. Mark A. Due to their crown-like projections, coronavirus got its name. Question 5. WHO, World Health Organization, on 11th February 2020. Remember this date? 11th February 2020, WHO announced an official name for the disease that is causing the 2019 novel coronavirus outbreak. What is the new name of the disease? 11th February 2020 को WHO ने कोरोना वायरस डिजीज का ऑफिशियल नेम अनाउंस किया एंड द नेम गिवन वाज COVID-19 और यू कैन से COVID-19. सो द करेक्ट चॉइस इज A. Mark A. Question number 6. The spread of coronavirus is said to be, see the option A, sporadic. Sporadic means a disease which is seen occasionally. See the option B, endemic. Endemic means disease जो किसी भी कम्युनिटी में प्रेजेंट हो एट ऑल टाइम्स लेकिन उसकी फ्रिक्वेंसी बहुत कम हो. सी द ऑप्शन सी, एपिडेमिक. इट इज़ अ डिजीज विच स्प्रेड मोर देन एक्सपेक्टेड इन अ स्पेसिफिक एरिया. किसी भी एरिया में अगर एक्सपेक्टेशन से ज़्यादा कोई डिजीज स्प्रेड हो जाए देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एपिडेमिक. नाउ कम टू द ऑप्शन डी, इट इज़ पेंडेमिक. जब स्प्रेड डिजीज ग्लोबली हो और it spread all over the globe, then it is pandemic and corona is a pandemic disease. So correct option is D. Mark D. Question 7. The WHO declared the COVID-19 a pandemic on. WHO ने COVID-19 को 11th March 2020 में pandemic declare किया था. So correct choice is D. Mark D. Question 8. Coronavirus infection symptoms include following symptoms. कौन कौन से symptoms हैं कोरोना वायरस इन्फेक्शन के? People infected with coronavirus are reported with mild symptoms like fever, cough, shortness of breath or dyspnea, whereas other symptoms may include running nose, sore throat, headache, a general feeling of unwell. So here the correct choice is D. All of these coronavirus infection symptoms include fever, cough and shortness of breath. So mark D. Question number 9. The technique used for detection of coronavirus. कोरोना को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए यूज की जाने वाली टेक्निक्स हैं. ऑप्शन ए देखिए, RT-PCR, which is reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction. See the option B, रैपिड एंटीजन टेस्ट, जिसमें एंटीजन कोरोना वायरस को टेस्ट किया जाता है बाय यूजिंग एंटीबॉडी स्ट्रिप्स. सी द ऑप्शन सी, CBNAAT, it is cartridge based nucleic acid amplification test. All these techniques are used to detect coronavirus. So correct answer is D. Mark D, all of above. Question 10. Therapy used for the coronavirus critical patients is /R, plasma therapy and monoclonal antibodies. Both these are used for treating the coronavirus critically ill patients. So the correct choice is D. Both option B and C are correct. So mark D. What is plasma therapy? Plasma therapy technique में लिक्विड पार्ट ऑफ ब्लड जो प्लाज्मा कहलाता है रिकवर्ड कोविड-19 पेशेंट्स की बॉडी से कलेक्ट करके पेशेंट्स को दिया जाता है. वाइल इन मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडीज टेक्निक, दीज एंटीबॉडीज आर मैन मेड. ये एंटीबॉडीज यूनिक वाइट ब्लड सेल्स की क्लोनिंग से तैयार की जाती हैं जो ह्यूमन एंटीबॉडी की तरह काम करती हैं एंड क्रिटिकली इल पेशेंट्स को दी जा सकती हैं. कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Approved antiviral by FDA or Food and Drug Administration used in the treatment of coronavirus. Out of these 4 drugs, the antiviral remdesivir is approved by FDA and is used in the treatment of COVID-19 patients. So the correct choice is A. Mark A. Question 12. In alcohol-based sanitizer for coronavirus, preferred ethanol content in ABHR is CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, recommended use of alcohol-based hand rub, which is ABHR, with greater than 60% ethanol. So correct choice is C. It is between 60 to 70%. So mark C. Come to question number 13. Transmission of coronavirus does not include. कोरोना वायरस का ट्रांसमिशन एयरबॉर्न ड्रॉपलेट से, नेजल म्यूकस से एंड सलाइवा से हो सकता है, बट इट इज नॉट ट्रांसमिटेड बाय ईटिंग फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स. बट रिमेंबर, यू शुड वॉश दीज फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स बिफोर कंज्यूमिंग इट. सो करेक्ट चॉइस इज डी. मार्क डी. ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ कोरोना वायरस डज नॉट इंक्लूड ईटिंग फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड vegetables. Question number 14. Which of the following laboratory specimen can be collected from suspected COVID-19? For detection of COVID-19, blood can be collected to check antibodies. Naso and oropharyngeal swab and expectorated sputum are collected to check virus or antigen. So all these given in the options A, B and C are collected from the suspected COVID-19. So correct choice is D. All of above, mark D. Come to question number 15. Incubation period of coronavirus infection is. coronavirus का incubation period होता है 2 to 14 days. Correct choice is A. Mark A. What is this incubation period? कोरोना वायरस जब बॉडी में एंटर करता है और फर्स्ट सिम्टम डिजीज का जब अपेयर होता है, इन दोनों के बीच का जो टाइम है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इंक्यूबेशन पीरियड एंड इट इज बिटवीन 2 to 14 days in case of coronavirus. So correct option is A. Mark A. Question 16. In a study, which cells are found in COVID-19 patients bode well for long-term immunity? Long-term immunity के लिए T cells are found in COVID-19 patients. T cells are nothing but a type of lymphocytes or a type of white blood cells which play important role in immune response. So correct choice is C. Mark C. Question 17. How does weather seems to affect the novel coronavirus? कोरोना वायरस पर वेदर का अभी तक कोई इफेक्ट नहीं देखा गया है. इट इज रादर नॉट येट नोन. सो करेक्ट चॉइस इज सी. मार्क सी. क्वेश्चन 18. Which of the following is oblique are the symptoms of black fungus? First, facial swelling, second, nasal congestion, and third, headache. Black fungus or mucormycosis symptoms include facial swelling, nasal congestion, and headache. And if lungs are infected, then these symptoms may also include fever and cough. So, correct choice is D. 1, 2, and 3 all are symptoms of black fungus. So, mark D. Question 19. What is the name of COVID-19 disease virus? COVID-19 disease के वायरस का नाम है SARS-CoV-2 or you can say SARS-CoV-2. So the correct choice is C, mark C. But remember one point. COVID-19 disease का नाम है and SARS-CoV-2 वायरस का नाम है जो COVID-19 का causative organism है. Now come to question number 20. Coronavirus has genetic material, single-stranded RNA or you can say ssRNA is the genetic material of coronavirus. So correct answer is B, mark B. Question 21. In which state did the first case of coronavirus came in India? First case of COVID-19 seen in India on 30th January 2020 in Kerala. So mark C. Kerala is the state where first case of coronavirus came in India. Question 22. During 1918 to 1919, immediately after World War I, a deadly pandemic killed millions of people. What was it called? In 1918, the world faced a deadly pandemic that was Spanish flu, which killed millions of people. So, the correct answer is D, mark D. Question 23. In which age groups the COVID-19 spread? COVID-19 occurs in all the age groups, but the infection of coronavirus is mild in children. Also, older persons and persons with pre-existing medical conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, lung diseases, heart diseases. These persons are at high risk to develop serious illness. So the correct answer is D. All the above are correct. So mark D. Question number 24. COVID-19 has recently been detected on all the 7 continents. It is the false statement. According to CDC, COVID-19 has been detected in Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America and Australia, but not in Antarctica. So this statement is false. Come to 25th question. What does COVID-19 stands for? COVID-19 में COVID stands for crown, while 19 is the year when it was first identified. So the correct choice is B. It is a term that stands for coronavirus disease 19, the year it was first identified. So mark B. That's all for today. Thank you very much for staying with me. Subscribe the channel to get the information about my new video. Thank you so much.